So next statement, if else statement. See here, if or else. See the statement here, it execute if statement or else statement. Any one statement will execute out of two statements or two possible actions. Any one action it will execute. See here, this statement is also called bidirectional control statements, or it is one of the conditional statement. What it can do? Text a condition or it check the condition. Okay, once condition is true, it execute any one possible actions. Out of two possible actions, any one action it will execute. See here, if the condition evaluates true, one statement, which statement? True statement will execute. Yes or no? Otherwise means here false. If the condition is false, other statement, what is other statements? Else statement will execute. Simple. If else statements, check the condition. If the condition is true, it executes statement 1. Otherwise, if the condition is false, it executes the statement 2. See the syntax. If condition, here we have to check the condition. If this condition is true, which statement I will execute? This statement I will execute. Okay, if the condition is true, I have to execute block of statement true. In case if the condition is false, the else statement has to execute. This block of statement I have to execute. If the condition is true, this statement. If the condition is false, second statement. That's why we are calling it is a true statement, true block of statement. This one is called false statement. See the flow chart. This is the rhombus, or we are calling it is the diamond symbol. We have to check the condition. What we have to check? Condition. If the condition is true, these statements I have to execute. In case if the condition is false, these statement I have to execute. If you observe, here there is no false statement. There is no false statements in simple if or if statement, but here it having a false statement, where in a if else statement. If else statement having two possible actions. The first one is true, then statement 1 will execute, otherwise statement 2 will execute. Yes or no? So see the program. These are the two header files, stdio.h, conio.h, void main function. Every program the execution starts from the void main function. These are the two variables, integer type num1, num2. These are the two variables, clr scr function. Clear the console application. Printf, I am asking the questions to user. Enter two numbers. User entered the two numbers. Those numbers I am reading with the scanf statements, %d, %d. Yes, %d, %d. I am checking here. Num1 is greater than num2. If this condition is true, for example, here my num value is 10, num2 value is 20. Understood? So num1 value is 10, num2 value is 20. According to this condition, condition true or false? 10 is not greater than 20. So this 10 is not a bit, num1 is not a bit. Which statement will execute? Num2 statement will execute. That means else statement is true. That's why it execute the biggest number is num2. Understood?